Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing these new Adidas shoes. They are brand new and they are the Ultraboost 21 Chinese New Year Ultraboost shoes. So running shoes, size 9.5 men, and this is their Chinese New Year shoe for this year. Cool, comes in a cool red box for the new year. Let's see, open this. These look sick in their app. And I tried their AR version, tried the shoes on my feet, and they look sick. So got these Ultraboost Adidas. Oh, here we go. Soles are sick. Ultraboost 21. Red accents in here. Ultraboost logo in black. I like how it's not too red or flashy like some of their previous Chinese New Year shoes. A little more subtle. This accent is more pronounced than I thought it would be. This white on black area, but still on feet with an outfit. I think this is pretty fresh. Planning on using this as a new good luck shoe in poker tournaments. So hopefully it brings good luck, and hope everyone has a great Lunar New Year if you celebrate. And these shoes are dope. I'm feeling them. I think I think they'll be comfortable. Never had Ultraboost 21s before, so wanted to try those as well. And Lunar New Year edition. So yep, thanks everyone for watching. Hope you're all having a great new year. And please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. See you next time. Bye.